Okay guys, so there is your sensor for if you get into a wreck, okay? And I disconnected it, alright, and I jumped it right there, and I still didn't get anything. But then I traced it back, and this guy right here had spliced it off and run it through here, okay? And then on the other side over here, you see that little switch. So he had like kind of hooked it up into an auxiliary off switch. And so my son was in the passenger side, and he obviously yanked the wire loose right there. I don't know if you can see it right here. Yep, there it is. Okay, they went through there to that switch, and so that's why my truck wouldn't start. But that one's kind of a unique one there, and that the guy who owned this truck before me had put in kind of like a safety off switch off of your wreck when you're that switch up in here is for when you wreck, right? When you actually get in a wreck, that actually will turn off of your fuel pump. So I wasn't getting fuel pressure, so I went back, and that's a pretty unusual one. But I guess if you want to put in your own homemade theft deterrent, there it is. Just switch that little switch to off. Nobody's taking your truck.